So you get your business card, measure it out. Standard it's 3.5 by 2. Oh yeah, and then you add a little 1/2 inch to the length and about 1/4 to the height. So you give room for stitching. So you get 2 of those. So I got 4 inches, 2 1/4. Made this one a little bit smaller for like that reveal. You know, you're good to go. Let's go to the garage. So here's what you need: brown piece of cow booty, X-Acto knife with a fresh blade, some hemp string, Walmart. You're gonna need a nail with a fat head on it so you don't hit your fingers, a ruler. You're gonna need 2 needles with thick wide holes to fit the hemp string through, because it's pretty thick. And you're gonna need your hammer.
Hit me up with some of that thug. Yeah, that's like that. Hit him in the chest with it. One time again in the head. The Buddy Roll, y'all. Check it out.
I don't know what this world's gonna be, but I know one thing, that this is the life for me.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
All day, every day,
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
wouldn't change for the world.
Cause I'm a thug.
That's right, you heard.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
I'm hot, oh yeah.
Check it out. Could it be my baggy jeans or my gold teeth that make me different from y'all? I ain't tripping, dog, but listen, dog, I was raised a little different, y'all. Doing my thing, using my ghetto slang, and I'm representing thugs. She's who I roll with, watch them niggas that gon' love this. Niggas who I don't bun, on the run, they got 10 years on parole. You can't say it, dog, I'ma say it for y'all. Motherfuck the popos, fuck the judge, the COs, fuck the DA and POs, fuck the family of the victim, witness, and stitching assholes, nigga.
I don't know what this world's gonna be, but I know one thing, that this is the life for me.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
All day, every day,
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
wouldn't change for the world.
Cause I'm a thug.
That's right, you heard.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
I'm hot, oh yeah.
Check it out. See, I'm so tight. Niggas be like, that nigga got so many hoes. And I know he got clout. Look at his mouth. That nigga got so many goals. Tell him they hoes. There's something up with that nigga. Bitch, I've been watching you, watching him. You must wanna fuck this nigga. My name alone been known to break up happy homes. No disrespect, dog, but you ain't had no business even answering her phone. If your ass was home, then me and her could've been getting it on. And you could've been hitting her right, cause ever since the night she been hitting the phone. She want a thug.
I don't know what this world's gonna be, but I know one thing, that this is the life for me.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
All day, every day,
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
wouldn't change for the world.
Cause I'm a thug.
That's right, you heard.
Baby, cause I'm a thug.
I'm hot, oh yeah.
Check it out. Since y'all niggas wanna smoke blunts, coke guns, I'ma show you how to thug it, dog. Give me a half a pill and some Zephyr, and I'm like, fuck it, dog. Long as my ecstasy got the best of me, and none of you niggas ain't stressing me. I got one request in this bitch, and you can have the rest of this shit. If a nigga drop some shit that's whack as hell and don't make no damn sense, take it back, talk about it, and tell your dog don't even buy that shit. And I don't care who he is, away from, I represent thug shit. And you ain't gotta give me my props and nominate me, cause damn it, I love this.
I don't